Hello wild people, welcome to AK Wild One. When you're on a backpacking trip, knowing how to set up a tent or stove quickly can be critical, especially during a storm, when it's dark, or you're exhausted. But how can you practice and improve these essential backpacking skills so they become second nature? The answer? By performing these skills blindly. So today, I'm going to identify some essential backpacking skills that I will attempt with a blindfold. Thank you for tuning in, wild people. Please stay tuned to the end because I'd like to share with you some clips I took from the Superstition wilderness in Arizona. Believe it or not, many first-time long-distance hikers set up their tent or connect and light their stoves for the first time on the first night of their adventure. That's not recommended. Performing certain backpacking skills should be easy and smooth. Performing these skills fluently will help eliminate any stress you might feel on the trail when it's dark, rainy, windy, or you're just plain exhausted. So I'm going to attempt to perform some common backpacking skills blindfolded, which will help test my trail readiness and hopefully provide a little bit of entertainment. I could say don't try any of this at home, but actually I think you should try completing some of these skills at home before your next backpacking adventure. It could be something entertaining to do at your next party or get-together to help improve your backpacking muscle memory. Now, I wonder if my definition of entertainment is the reason no one ever invites me to a party. Okay, let's start simple. Adjusting your trekking poles. This is something I do a lot, and to make things go a little better, you can make marks on your trekking poles to indicate the optimal height for your walking or the height you might use when you're setting up your tent. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is use this handy dandy PCT 2022 bandana to make a blindfold. So I'm going to fold it hostage style here. There we go. There we go. Take off my glasses and put it on. See if I can do that blindfolded. There we go. Okay, I think I'm blindfolded. Now the question is, how can I prove it? All right. Grizz, how many fingers am I holding up? 2. See? Prove that I am blindfolded. Okay, now here is my trekking pole. And let's see if I can set it up blindfolded. Go out a little bit, open this. Open the second one, goes about, feels good. And, okay, it's a little short. Go a little bit longer. I can feel it getting toward the end there. I just kind of have that sense. And a little bit longer. Oop, close it. And that's about right. So that's pretty good. And that's my first blindfold challenge, setting up and taking down a trekking pole. The next skill is opening an energy bar. You know, on the PCT, I was kind of proud of the fact that I could access an energy bar in my side pocket, unzip the side pocket, grab the energy bar, open it, eat it, put the wrapper back, zip up the side pocket, and continue on my way without even breaking stride. So this is one of those skills you use often. So let's see if I can do it. Okay, here we go. Opening my side pocket, opening an energy bar, boom, boom, eating, boom. That one's a piece of cake. Literally, that's pretty easy. Oh, 2 down, 6 more to go. The next skill, turning on your headlight. You always do this at night. Make sure you put your headlight in an accessible place in your pack. The last thing you want to do is try to locate your headlamp if it's buried deep in the bowels of your backpack. So let's see how I do. The next skill, setting up your stove. I won't light it blindfolded, nor should you for obvious reasons. Be careful and gentle. You don't want to booger up the threads. Your fuel can should screw on easily without much effort. Okay, remember I said I'm going to set up, I'm not going to light my stove. Okay, so got my little bag here, got my cup, lid. I'm going to put this to the side, the lighter. I'll just keep that in there. I'm going to take the stove out of the bag. I got three of these to set up. Okay, and now it's really important. Okay, let's see, there it is. There we go. When I put this on, to put it on really gently, because I don't want to strip the threading on my stove. That's bad. Okay, and that's ready to go. That wasn't so bad. Later, when you light your stove, remember, don't try it blindfolded. The correct sequence is lighter light first, then turn on the gas. Also, never carry a fuel tank in your airport luggage. The fine is steep. The next skill, water filter use. This skill should be second nature. You do it a lot, and chances are you're pretty tired when you're filtering water. So here goes my attempt. Okay, got my 2-liter Canuck bag, my Sawyer squeeze with the coupling on there, which I really like, of course. And what else? Oh, and I've got a Canuck through bottle, which is full of water. Normally that would be empty. So let's pretend that this is full. Probably don't want to get water all over me. So let's see if I can. Where did it get it? There we go. See if I got this right. There we go. Close the bag. The next skill I had planned for this episode was pitching a tent blindfolded. I recommend against it. Bad idea. It was a disaster, and I even knocked over my camera, and you might trip over the guy lines or rip your mosquito netting or your tent. Don't attempt to do it blindfolded. But for this skill, you should be able to set up your tent. If you can do it under 2 minutes, that's pretty good. So that's a challenge. Let's see how I do. I'm going to see how quickly I can set my tent up. I have my rock, my tent stakes, and my timer right here. And my goal is to see if I can set it up in 2 minutes or less. I have my trekking poles to the right height, which is pre-measured. So that makes things a little faster. Got my tent stakes. And let's see, I've got a rock, of course, which is poop free, which otherwise it would be pretty disgusting. All right, so let's see how quickly I can set my tent up. Whew. Okay, that one took about 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Of course, could make a few adjustments here. But usually Flash and I set up the tent. Usually Flash and I set up the tent together, and we really cruise. And our speed is only surpassed by Burns' ability to jump in the tent practically before we're finished. So something to keep in mind. Obviously, I'd make some more adjustments, but this is the basic idea. 2 minutes and 19 seconds. I don't know if you can see that, but there it is. Okay. One added tip is, if you need to use a rock to help hammer in a tent stake, kick the rock first. You never know, there might be a scorpion or spider under it, or worse, poop from a discourteous and, dare I say, incontinent backpacker trekking haphazardly across the continent. Unfortunately, on the PCT in Washington, I encountered poopy rocks a lot. Not a nice way to end the day. Another tip is to never set your tent up directly under a pine tree. So for here, I'm surrounded by beautiful ponderosa pines. And the problem is you've got these little buggers here, these pine cones. When they fall from the trees, they could fall on your tent and rip it. Finally, you can also have your trekking poles marked so you know the best height, and this will also save time. For me, my trekking poles are pretty simple. They come up just a little bit above my belt. And so every time I adjust my trekking poles for my tent, kind of have a ready place to height determined for them. Next skill is to take down your tent. If you can take down your tent in less than 2 minutes, that's pretty good. Make sure you always count your tent stakes before securing them in your pack. I always carry at least one extra tent stake. The final skill I'm going to practice blindfolded is packing my backpack. Not every item, just the major components. For me, that will be the sleeping bag, air mattress, ursack, cooking bag, tent, clothes, and ditty bag, closed up and topped with my closed cell foam pad. So let's see how that goes. Blindfold, and here we go. Got my ULA circuit. First thing is, whoops, make it wide enough. Usually carry my closed cell foam pad on top. Tighten it, balance it, and then there it is. It's not very good. And then I usually carry the Tyvek strings here, these bungees. Okay, now obviously, let me get my glasses on. Obviously that's just a little bit off balance, but you get the idea. You should feel pretty comfortable packing your backpack blindfolded. Well, wild people, thank you so much for tuning in. I remember a saying from my old Russian teacher that went something like this: repetitia mat preparedness. In other words, repetition is the mother of knowledge. So, with blindfolds or not, practicing some backpacking skills regularly will reduce a bit of stress when you hit the trail, improve your fluency, and perhaps alert you if you have any gear repairs that you need to do. So please leave a comment about an important hiking skill I forgot to mention that you think maybe you should be able to do blindfolded. And please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. I appreciate it a lot, and I don't take your support for granted. You can also follow our adventures on AK Wild One on Facebook. I'm going to share a few shots from our hike in the Superstition Wilderness in Arizona. And always, live wildly, my friends.
We set sail into the moon, tilt our tails to the morning dew. Our plans and schemes seem so serene, amongst the stars red, gold and green. Oh, we gave it all in the autumn fall. We danced like flames around the sun. Angels flew where our hope had come. Fireflies went to and fro. As we sat back in the afterglow. Oh, we gave it all in the autumn fall. Gave it all in the autumn fall.